Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to solve Leetcode 1050 question, actors and directors who cooperated at least 3 times. And this question comes under easy category. They have provided the table called actor director and they have also given the description about it, the column names and their respective data types. Actor ID is integer, director ID is integer, timestamp is integer, and they have also given that timestamp is the primary key. So what do you mean by primary key? It is a column which has non-null and unique values, right? So for this table, so write a solution to find all the pairs actor ID comma director ID where the actor has cooperated with the director at least 3 times. Okay, return the table in any order. So let us understand this question by taking this example that they have provided in the description. So they have given 3 columns, which is actor ID, director ID, and timestamp. And they have also mentioned that the timestamp is the primary key. They have asked us to find both actor ID and director ID, where actor has cooperated with the director at least 3 times. At least means which is greater than or equal to. So here it is at least 3 times. So it is greater than or equal to 3 times. So here we can see that actor ID 1 has cooperated with the director ID 1 once, here twice, here one, thrice. So here the actor ID 1 and has cooperated with director ID 1 3 times. So let me make a note. So 1. So actor ID 1 and director ID 1 has cooperated 3 times. And then actor ID 1 has cooperated with director ID 2 1 time, 2 times. So actor ID 1 has cooperated with director ID 2 for 2 times. And actor ID 2 has cooperated with director ID 1 once and twice. So it will be 2. Actor ID 2 has cooperated with director ID 1 twice. So as in the question, they have mentioned that when the actor ID actor has cooperated with the director at least 3 times. So it should be greater than or equal to 3. So after counting, we can see that this should be returned. That is actor ID 1 and director ID 1 because they have cooperated 3 times, which comes under the condition or which satisfies the condition greater than or equal to. So we need to return the actor ID and director ID. So that would be 1 comma 1. So that is what this the output we have also got. So let us understand how we can write the SQL query for solving this question. So what we can do is from this table, we can group actor ID and director ID together. So it could be like 1 comma 1 and how many times they have appeared. So we will be counting the timestamp. So for example, here 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. It has appeared 3 times. So that now the count of timestamp will be 3. So that will be there. Then actor ID 1 and director ID 2. Actor ID 1, director ID 2. So they have cooperated 2 times. So in there, the count of the timestamp will be 2. Similarly, actor ID 2 and director ID 2, actor ID 2, director ID 1 have cooperated 2 times because the count of the timestamp, which will be 5 and 6, will be 2. So, and then we can find wherever the timestamp count is greater than or equal to 3, we need to get the actor ID and director ID. We need to return that in our output table. So let me start writing the query. So from the table name is actor, director, and we need to group by both this actor ID and director ID because both of them have cooperated how many times together. Both this pair should be same. It means that these two people have cooperated these many times, right? So all this ID and this ID has cooperated. So we need to take this pair, right? So I will take actor ID comma director underscore ID, and we need to use having clause over there than where clause. Why? Because we are using a aggregate function which is count. So we'll be using having clause. Count is the aggregate function, and we need to use the timestamp. Since timestamp is already a primary key, it will be having non-null and unique values. So you do not require to use distinct function. If you want, you can use it, as it is a good practice. And in both the cases, you'll get the same output. I will show you that. And they have given that at least 3 times they have to cooperate. So greater than or equal to 3. And what do we need in the output? We need the actor ID and director ID. So select actor underscore ID, comma, director underscore ID. Okay, and we do not need any aliases because it is the same. So you don't have to use the has statement. Okay, so let me run this and see whether it works perfectly or not, or we'll make the changes. So you can see that it runs perfectly. They have considered the same example that they have provided over here, and the expected output is same as the given output. I will also show you with distinct. As I was saying, if in case here the timestamp is the primary key, if in case another table, if timestamp is not a primary key, some other column was the primary key, using distinct would be making a lot more sense, and it will only count the distinct values, right? So let me run this and show you. It also gives the same answer. See, as I told you, it also gives you the same answer. Let me submit it and see whether it passes all the test cases or not. As you can see, it passes all the test cases and it is accepted. That's all. That's all is the solution for the question 1050 Leetcode, actors and directors who cooperated at least 3 times. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.